Welcome back, everyone. Today's lesson is about idioms. Happy Friday, by the way. Friday idioms, there are 10 of them that I'd like to ask everyone to use them in the sentences in the comment box below. Let's begin. The first one is out of blue. Out of blue meaning something that happened unexpectedly. For example, the war in Ukraine happened out of blue. Now it's your turn. In the comment box below, make sure you make a sentence with this idiom. The second one is in the red. In the red means when you owe money, or you don't have enough money. For example, sorry, I can't afford it. I am in the red. The third idioms for today is give someone the green light. It means to give permission. For example, I was given the green light to complete this project. It is very interesting when you use them in a sentences in your writing, in professional writing even, and in your speaking, specifically if you're taking different proficiency tests. The next one is a white lie. Perhaps many of you guys are familiar with this. It means to tell a lie that is not very serious. For example, I don't think you should get in trouble for telling a white lie. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence in the comment box below. The fifth idiom is green with envy. This is very interesting. It means to be jealous or envious. For example, other students were green with envy when they saw she won the award. The fifth one is day and night. Day and night means continually working without stopping. For example, I was studying day and night with IELTS Band 9 till I achieved my Band 8 in IELTS. Drop out, it means to leave without finishing. For example, she dropped out of the course as it was too hard. The eighth expression for today is learn by heart, meaning to memorize. For example, I learned all the idioms by heart. The next idiom for today is pass with flying colors. It means to pass a test with high grades, easily. For example, I really hope I pass with flying colors. The last idiom for today is bookworm. For example, you call someone a bookworm when they love reading. If you love reading, you can say, I love reading. I think I'm a bookworm. Make a sentence with each in the comment box below. Thank you for watching.